sell your home and get the highest return on investment, then home staging absolutely needs to be a part of your selling journey. Here are my top home staging to-dos. First off, talk to your realtor on what kind of home staging solutions they offer for you. If you are listing your house above the average benchmark price in your area and you are paying top dollar for commission, you need to ensure that your realtor is offering you some kind of home staging solution. I don't care what anyone says, no matter how beautiful the home may be designed, home staging is still a crucial part of selling your home and making sure that you get the highest return on your investment. Second, and you've heard it before, declutter and depersonalize everything. You are selling your space and you are trying to allow people to envision themselves in your home. So your house is no longer a home at this point. It is a business transaction worth hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. The most important spaces to depersonalize and declutter are the kitchens and bathrooms. Try to keep absolutely everything off of the countertops and get rid of things like dirty shower towels and hand towels. I typically recommend going and buying what we call in our house staging towels, and there's a whole bin just of staging towels. They're bright white fluffy towels that we personally have never ever before used, and they look so clean and crisp that they look, of course, never before used. We use those when we are staging in both of our hand towels as well as our shower towels if the area needs for something like that to be on display. Remember to take down all personal pictures when depersonalizing, and also get rid of pet stuff. Pet stuff can be offensive to a lot of buyers, and your goal is to try to appeal to the masses when you are selling your home. I know it can be a little bit difficult and unfunctional, however, it's very important when it comes to just doing that business transaction to sell your home. Third, curb appeal still matters so much. Getting some new plants that go to different heights can make a huge difference. So having some tall plants, some medium plants, some shorter plants, and depending on your area, some ground cover as well. Adding a couple more things to fill in your garden can really add to the value of your home and make the place look like it has some more mature aspects. A fresh coat of paint also on the exterior of your home goes a very long way. There are a lot of home colors that are considered offensive, and a lot of home colors that, aren't as neutral, so people can't really see themselves in it. Fourth, light, so important. Light is extremely important, especially natural light when coming into your home. Little things that you can do in order to maximize the amount of natural light coming into your space is through how you lay out your curtains and blinds. So curtains, for example, bump your curtain rod all the way up to the ceiling and allow your curtains themselves to go all the way to the floor. This makes the room look a lot taller. Make sure that your curtain rod extends beyond the length of your window itself and doesn't touch the edges. Gives a little bit of room so that the room looks a lot bigger, and then the window is not covered or the window is not being blocked and is allowing all natural light to come through. Five is furniture placement. Furniture placement is so crucial, making sure that you're not blocking any kind of important walkways. For example, like little front door benches and everything along those lines, you may want to consider moving out during your home selling process. The whole goal of furniture placement is to completely open your space up and sell the space itself, not sell the things in it. Decor placement is also an extremely important aspect of the home staging process. Beginners, I typically recommend using the rule of 3-5-7, so keeping things in groups of 3, 5s, and 7s, and then using different heights. So having something that's tall, medium, and small will make a really big difference in the overall aesthetic of that you're trying to achieve when going to sell your home. Finally, deep clean. I know you've heard it, I know you know it, I know it's a pain in the butt, but it is such a crucial must do. Everything from polishing stainless steels to washing the windows inside and out, to patching walls and just putting a fresh patch coat of paint on it, and renting a deep cleaner to deep clean your carpets will make the world of difference. Most of us have gone nose blind to those smells that our carpets hold on to, but let me tell you, it absolutely will be noticed by the potential buyers coming into your home. Every time I wash my windows, and let me tell you, I do it 3 times a year, I am always shocked by how much dirt is on those windows and how much right away more natural light shines through as soon as they have been cleaned. If you want to make your house look like it gets a lot of natural light, giving it a simple clean can go a really long way. And always remember, people do check places like the fridge, the freezer, the cabinets, the cupboards, your dishwasher, closets, everything along those lines. So make sure that those areas are still clean and decluttered. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been super helpful, and I hope it helps you maximize your home's investment. Like and subscribe for weekly tips and updates on how to maximize your home's investment, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for more tips, more updates, more knowledge, more everything. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.